everybody, I am so excited we hit 300,000 YouTube subscribers. Thank you so much for everything that you do, everything that all of the team does, and I can't wait to get to 400,000, so let's do it.
What's up everyone? Coach Gabby here with Svelte Training, and I'm super excited to share with you core conditioning for beginners. So we're gonna work on that six-pack. So let's get into it. I hope you enjoy. First, we're gonna start on the floor. Gently come down at your own pace. And we are gonna begin with a 30-minute plank. Now there are two variations for this. We can do a full plank, or for a little bit easier, you can also do them on your knees. So I'm gonna show you how. First, start in a tabletop position with your hands directly below your shoulder and your knees directly below your hips, all right? And then we're gonna push up into a plank position, making sure that your back is straight. We don't want to arch back. You really want to zip up that rib cage like so, and keep your gaze down. You want to look between your hands. So this is our regular plank position. And if this is a little bit too much for you to hold, then we can also bring our knees down. Whoop. Hello, Matt. It's a little windy here today in Florida, as you can see. So we brought our knees down and in that same position as before, and you can hold like so. If you want to do half knees down, half full plank position as well to challenge yourself, go for it. So we're gonna hold this for 30 seconds. Let's get into it. All right, and push up. Let's go, 30 seconds. Remember to keep your core engaged, your back straight, and your head down. Super important for spine health. All right, and also remember to relax your shoulders. You don't want them up here by your ears, so push them back. All right, good job, keep it up. Hold, hold, hold. Almost done. You got this. A few more seconds. And rest. Very good. That was our plank and a good warm up for the entire body. So staying here, we got our bird dog crunch. So back on tabletop position, what you're gonna do is extend your opposite leg with your opposite arm. So this is called a bird dog. But what we're gonna do is turn it into a crunch. So we're gonna bring elbow to knee and then back out. All right, we're gonna do that 10 times on one side and then switch and do 10 times on the other. All right, take a second, breathe from that plank, you know, and let's get into it. Tabletop, extend arm and leg. Let's go, 10. 1, extend. 2, extend. 3, elbow to knee, extend. Now here, this is really good for your core because you're, using your hand and opposite knee for stability. So you're using your core to stay balanced as well as this crunching motion. 4 more. Last one, extend. And crunch and down. Very good. Now let's switch arms and legs. Extend out and crunch. Out and crunch. Remember to keep a straight back, tuck in that stomach, and most importantly, breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Very good. We're halfway there. You got this. Out. In. Out. 3 more. Take your time. Breathe. Last one. In. Out. And down. Very good. Now you might feel some tension here in your arms from holding that position, so take a second, roll them out, shake, shake, shake if you need to. Breathe and get ready for reverse crunches. So this, we are going to be on our back. So turn it around. You're gonna come down, laying on your back. And what I like to do here to support my back and also make it a little bit easier for us to do the crunch itself is put your flat hands right below under your lower back, right here. And what we're gonna do is bring our legs up, and the crunch itself is here in the lower abs, all right? Different from the regular crunch, which is the upper abs. So what you're gonna wanna do is kind of lift right here where your pelvis is. You're gonna lift it up, but you don't wanna swing. If you're swinging your legs, it's kind of, a little cheat. So you want one controlled movement. So putting your hands back under your lower back, bringing your legs up. We're gonna do 10. Ready, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember to breathe. 3 more. 2, and 1. Very good. So next we have our bicycle crunches. Take a second, find your breath, and laying back on our back. So what we're gonna do here is have our hands behind our head. Remember never to pull on your neck. It's not good for your neck, your spine. You wanna use, the strength from your cores to really crunch here. And so we're gonna come up in a crunch, legs up, tabletop, and we're gonna go alternating elbow to knee, like a bicycle, like so. Okay, so we're gonna do 10 of those. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Engage your core, breathe. This one's a little faster, we're almost done. 2, and 1. Very good. Now we have, to wrap it up, a glute bridge hold. I love this one. I hope you like it too. It's a little bit easier, less movement than the rest, but really effective. It's gonna work out your core, your back, and your butt. So laying on your back, knees bent, hands to the side, we're gonna push our pelvis up like a glute bridge and hold. Let's hold here for 30 seconds. Let's go. Remember, even if you're just holding a position, your entire body is engaged. Your stomach, your back, and it's super important not to twist your neck, so look forward. All right, halfway there, squeeze that butt, squeeze those abs. 5, 4, 3, 2, and come down. Very good. Ooh, I already feel those abs coming in, okay? So keep this up, do it 2 to 3 more times, and check out our other videos here on YouTube. Subscribe to our channel for much more.